Okay guys, let's pull the fire alarm. Russell Coit, how do you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded until the Wiggles release Lullabies with Love DVD. Go to your room now. You disgraceful idiot.